The contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill, which seeks to grant Indian citizenship to non-Muslim refugees from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan escaping religious persecution there, was tabled in Lok Sabha today amid protests from northeastern states. Manipur Chief Minister and BJP leader N. Biren Singh today said that the centre has decided to extend inner line permit to the state of Manipur as a means of constitutional safeguard for the indigenous people of the state. Chief Minister N. Biren today inspected Lamjing Solid Waste Management Plant, where the government is planning to set up a smaller unit of biomedical waste treatment plant to be taken up by 9th Dec Private Limited, a Mumbai-based company. The 50-hour Manipur-wide anti-CAPE protest by Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill evoked near-total response in the state, with people suspending all daily activities for the day to join the protest. In Bishnupur district, protesters blocked Tidim Road at Nambol Poising Bazaar by burning tires. Parents, guardians of successful candidates of MCS-CCE 2016 today said that had the CBI squashed the MPSC conducted examination results after a thorough investigation, it would have been a better decision. During a press meet at Manipur Press Club Imphal, the parents and guardians also said that the answer script should have been re-evaluated before squashing the results. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today extended birthday greetings to Congress Interim President Sonia Gandhi and wished her a healthy life. Top Congress leaders also wished Gandhi, who turned 73 today. Tripura came to a grinding halt this morning as the 12-hour Bandh against the Citizenship Amendment Bill evoked total response. The Bandh has been called by Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura in the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council from 6 a.m.